So I did an image search with this one on Google, and it came out. It said it was 10,000-year-old Paleo-Indian grinding stone, hammerstone, mostly a grinder. Didn't say it was an axe. So you can see how smooth it is here. Very smooth here. Ergonomic, angled, because it's not normal to go straight. My arm wants to go like that. So isn't that cool? They just thought, well, you had to come up with this. If you're gonna live, you gotta grind some food. It's like it was also maybe used as a hammerstone, I'm not sure. You can see the wear right here. Being held. Is that hand? Probably. Yeah, the palm. And right there too. This is hard doing this with one hand. I gotta get one of those tripods. You can see those scrape marks. Whatever they were grinding.